Welcome to Slow English Listening. Hello, everyone. What's up? Today, we have a new story about Lily and Jake. Before we start, please subscribe to help our channel grow. It is a beautiful evening. They want to have a romantic dinner. They want to visit a famous place, Cafe Luna. But it is very difficult to get a table there. Will they succeed? We will see. But first, remember our red error challenge. There are 3 mistakes in this story. Look for the words that turn red on the screen. When you see a red word, think, what is the correct word? It is a fun game to practice your English. Later, I will tell you the correct answers. If you enjoy our stories, don't forget to click the like button. Are you ready for the adventure? Let's go.
Jake, come here quickly.
What happened, Lily? Is everything okay?
Look at my smartphone. I found a free table at Cafe Luna.
No way. That is the best restaurant in town. Everyone says their pasta is delicious.
I know, but we must decide now. Many people want this table. It is very popular.
I am a bit tired after work, but I am very hungry. A romantic dinner is a great idea for tonight.
Perfect. We need to confirm the reservation on their website.
Is it easy to do? I don't want to lose the table.
Yes, we just need to send them our phone number.
Okay, let's do it. Today is a special day for us.
Great. I am so happy. I will start getting ready now.
And I will find my favorite shirt. Let's have a wonderful night. Hello, is this Cafe Luna?
Good evening. Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I want to confirm a reservation for 2 people tonight.
Of course. What is your name, please?
My name is Jake Miller. My wife Lily found a table online.
Let me check the computer. Ah, yes, I see your name.
That is great news. We are very excited to visit you.
We are happy to see you, Mr. Miller. Please remember your table is ready at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Perfect. We will be there on time.
Thank you. Do you have any special requests for tonight?
No, we just want to try your famous Italian pasta.
Excellent choice. Our chef is the best in the city.
Thank you very much. See you soon.
Goodbye, Mr. Miller. Have a nice evening.
Look at these streets, Jake. Everything is so beautiful tonight.
You are right. I love these old stone houses and the flowers.
The air smells like fresh bread and summer. It is very romantic.
I am happy we decided to go out. It is better than staying home.
Look, I can see the lights of the cafe at the end of the street.
Is that Cafe Luna? The one with the yellow sign?
Yes. And look at the small moon logo. It is so cute.
I can hear some Italian music. Can you hear it too?
Yes, it sounds like a violin. It is very peaceful here.
I am getting very hungry now. I can smell the delicious food.
Me too. I want to try their famous lasagna.
We are almost there. This night is going to be perfect.
I agree. Let's go inside and find our table. Good evening. We have a reservation for 2.
Good evening. Welcome to Cafe Luna. What is the name for the reservation, please?
The name is Jake Miller. I called you 30 minutes ago.
One moment, let me see my book. Yes, Mr. Miller. Your table is ready. It is near the window with a nice view.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. This is a very busy night for us.
We can see that. Many people are eating and laughing here.
Yes, people love our atmosphere. Follow me, please.
The restaurant looks even better than in the pictures.
I agree. The warm lights and the stone walls are beautiful.
Thank you. Here is your table. Please sit down.
This is perfect. Thank you for your help.
Enjoy your evening. Your waiter will be here soon.
Everything looks so delicious in this menu.
I know. Look at the first page. There are many appetizers.
Do you want some bruschetta or a fresh salad?
Let's skip the appetizers. I want to save space for the main course.
Good idea. Look at the pasta section. There are so many options.
I see spaghetti, ravioli, and different types of lasagna.
The menu says their pasta carbonara is very famous.
And I see seafood pasta too. It sounds great.
What about the drinks? Do you want some juice or water?
I think a glass of white wine will be perfect for this dinner.
Okay, let's decide. I really want the lasagna tonight.
And I will choose the carbonara. I am so hungry.
The prices are good too. This place is excellent.
I agree. I hope the waiter comes soon to take our order.
Good evening. Are you ready to order your dinner?
Yes, we are ready. I would like the beef lasagna, please.
Excellent choice. Our lasagna is very authentic and tasty.
And for me, the pasta carbonara with extra cheese, please.
Of course. Would you like anything to drink with your meal?
Yes, we would like 2 glasses of white wine.
And a bottle of mineral water, please.
Certainly. I will bring your drinks in just a moment.
Thank you. We are really enjoying the atmosphere here.
I am happy to hear that. We try to make everyone feel at home.
How long will the food take? We are quite hungry.
The pasta is fresh, so it takes about 15 minutes.
That is fine. We can talk and enjoy the music.
Perfect. I will be back soon with your order. Here are your drinks. 2 glasses of white wine and water.
Thank you. The wine looks very cold and fresh.
You are welcome. Your main dishes will be ready soon.
Lily, let's make a toast to our wonderful evening.
To us, Jake. I am so happy we are here together.
Look at the other tables. Everyone looks so happy.
Yes, the people are friendly and the music is very soft.
I like the decorations too. The old pictures on the walls are nice.
Wait, look at our table. We have some bread and olives here.
Oh, I didn't see that. The waiter brought them with the drinks.
These olives are blue. Wait, that is not right.
Are you sure? Maybe it is just the light in the restaurant.
No, Jake. Olives are usually green or black, not that color.
That is very strange. Let's ask the waiter about it later. It smells absolutely incredible.
Wow, look at my pasta. There is so much cheese.
And my lasagna is very hot. I can see the steam.
Let's try the food. I can't wait any longer.
Lily, you have to taste this. It is so delicious.
My carbonara is perfect too. The sauce is very creamy.
This is the best Italian food in the city.
I agree. The portion is big, but it is so light and tasty.
Would you like to try some of my lasagna?
Yes, please. And you can try my pasta too.
This is a great dinner. I am very full and happy now.
Me too. But I think we should look at the dessert menu later.
Good idea. But first, let's finish this wonderful meal.
Did you enjoy your main courses?
Yes, it was fantastic. Thank you very much.
We are ready for some dessert now. What do you recommend?
Our tiramisu is very popular tonight.
That sounds perfect for me. I love coffee and cream.
And I want something sweet too. Maybe a chocolate cake?
Of course, I will bring your desserts and 2 cups of coffee.
Thank you. I am so glad we stayed for dessert.
Look, the waiter is coming back already. That was fast.
Here is your tiramisu, madam. And for you, sir, a fresh pineapple.
Wait, what? A whole pineapple? On a plate?
Jake, that is not a chocolate cake. That is a big fruit.
This is very strange. Why did he bring me a pineapple?
I think there is a mistake. Nobody eats a whole pineapple for dessert here.
Let's call the waiter. This is definitely the wrong order.
Here is your bill, sir. How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card, please. Or can I use my phone?
Yes, our terminal is contactless. Just put your phone here.
Okay, I am ready. Wait, my phone screen is purple.
Jake, your phone is usually black or silver. What happened?
I don't know. The screen is a very strange color now.
This is another mistake. Is it working?
Yes, the payment is successful, but the color is very wrong.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Have a nice night.
Welcome back. Did you enjoy the story? Now, it is time for a quick game. I have 3 questions for you. You must answer yes or no. Are you ready? Question number 1. Did Lily and Jake go to a French restaurant? The answer is no. It was an Italian cafe. Question number 2. Did Jake pay for the dinner with his phone? The answer is yes. He used contactless payment. Question number 3. Was the waiter very rude to them? The answer is no. The waiter was very friendly and helpful. How many correct answers did you get? You did it. You finished the story of Lily and Jake. Now let's check the 3 red errors. Did you find them all? The first mistake was in the drink scene. The olives were not blue, they were green. The second mistake was the dessert. Jake didn't order a pineapple. He wanted a chocolate cake. And the last mistake was the phone. The screen was not purple. It was a normal black screen. Great job if you found all 3. You are very attentive. Lily and Jake had a wonderful night at Cafe Luna. They learned that a romantic dinner is always a good idea. Did you like this video? Please click the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more English stories. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.